Have you ever considered thinking about some business ideas that will always stay profitable for a long time? Well, think no more. This video has all the answers for your confused thoughts. To change your life dramatically, you need inspiration or desperation and move in the economy's direction. If you want to be successful and stand the difficulties of all times, launching an evergreen business is the key, a profitable business that can last long. So let's get right into those ideas. For number 8, we have the most popular dropshipping business. If you have been involved in the business world, you must be familiar with this concept of the evergreen business model. If you're interested in starting a business with minimal investment, dropshipping is one option you might consider. Dropshipping involves selling products online without maintaining any physical inventory. Instead, orders are fulfilled through a third-party company. Starting a dropshipping business has the potential to be highly profitable, but it's important to know exactly how it works. For your dropshipping business to be successful and evergreen, you must figure out the evergreen products you will offer. In terms of what makes it an attractive business model, the startup costs can be much lower than those of other types of businesses. You don't even need to maintain any physical inventory or a storefront. And since someone else handles order shipping, you don't have to worry about that either. So, what are you waiting for? On number 7, which is none other than non-cyclical businesses. These are the businesses that provide people with goods and services necessary for daily usage, regardless of economic ups and downs. They offer products essential for your daily life, making them less vulnerable to changes in the business cycle. Take an example that everyone needs to buy groceries regularly, even though the economic situation is down. In non-cyclical stocks, you can start with food, pharmaceuticals, petrol, utilities, toiletries, or anything one thinks is essential for daily life. In every sense, non-cyclical stocks are less exposed to volatility. Launching such a business just requires market analysis and a diverse range of products. You must adopt flexibility and efficient supply chains which are under changing conditions. Investing in non-cyclical stocks is considered to be safer than investing in cyclical stocks. During economic turndowns, non-cyclical companies won't produce the loss. What's better than considering this as a constant source of your income throughout your lifetime? The utmost need of people these days is the one startup just by moving hands sitting on the couch. On number 6, we have cybersecurity. We all know that technology now covers every sector of the economy. Every company now has a technology department. Every business requires cybersecurity specialists. So, the demand for such independent contractors, workers, and services is higher than ever. Despite the state of the economy, the International Data Corporation forecasts that worldwide cybersecurity will reach $174.7 billion in 2024, with security services being the largest and fastest growing market segment. If you're thinking of launching a cybersecurity business, begin with the basics. Make sure you have the right certification, funding, structure, and business plan to set yourself up for success. The high financial stakes are driving a big demand for cybersecurity services. Large companies can hire cybersecurity staff, but small and mid-sized businesses typically can't afford it. This is where your cyber expertise can turn into a successful security solution business. Let's talk about the emerging business of daycare centers these days at number 5. We need every parent these days. As the percentage of working women is increasing with each passing day, thus, the need for daycare centers is exponentially increasing these days. Since most parents work outside the home, nearly 1/4 of children under age 5 attend an organized daycare center. This is an opportunity for those looking to take the next step and start a childcare business of their own. Starting a daycare center can be both personally fulfilling and financially rewarding. While opening a daycare, it might get frustrating sometimes, but at the same time, it's incredibly rewarding. There is no straight path to success, but many childcare business owners find joy in the journey. So, whether it's your passion for the kids or desire to serve parents in your community, there are many valid reasons to open a daycare. On number 4, we have the freelancing business, which you might know but haven't considered turning into a business. Freelancing is a popular alternative to full-time job and is growing very rapidly among young people. Whatever you have expertise in, you can provide your services on that. Globally, this industry is growing like none other. Freelancing platforms are valued at more than $4.39 billion. Running a freelancing business offers flexibility to work during your most productive hours. Moreover, you have the independence to choose the clients and projects. Unlike traditional jobs where you have a fixed salary may limit your income, The freelance industry allows you to determine your worth. As you build a solid client base, your earning potential becomes virtually limitless. For number 3, we have a familiar Amazon business. This business was never easy, but it has been made easier by the Amazon store. Setting up an Amazon store is accessible, but nothing comes for free in this world, right? The whole process of setting up a seller account takes a bit of time, but you will receive prompts along with that. All you need is to put the right information. You don't have to worry about an e-commerce website to sell on Amazon. You will be provided with one from Amazon itself. One doesn't even need to go through the headache of fulfilling orders. Doing business on Amazon allows you to be competitive with your price. You just have to set up your niche. But remember that on top of that, the increased competition requires flawless order and inventory management to guarantee customer satisfaction. It's not unachievable, but it does require a lot of planning and forethought. One of the most demanding businesses these days, we have digital marketing services at number 2. In this year 2024, more than ever before, businesses and personal brands are looking for those with digital marketing skills to help them promote their websites and online presence. Digital marketing statistics show that the industry will reach a market value of $786.2 billion by 2026. Digital marketing uses the internet to promote goods and services to potential and existing customers through digital channels like email and social media. If you have skills that are related to any digital marketing sub-niches, you can sell your services on an e-commerce website and earn huge profits. Marketing is all about connecting with your right audience at the right place and time. With the rise of the internet, this is one of the easiest and evergreen business ideas one can pursue just by sitting on a couch, making your social media time count by using it in such business ideas. Last but not least, on number 1, we have a consulting business. Starting a consulting business, whatever kind it is a great idea. As a business consultant services provider, you can help clients tackle various challenges that arise in their organizations. However, before leaping, one question that often comes up is whether a consulting business is profitable or not. Well, in many ways, it is. As businesses strive to navigate the ever-changing economic landscape, consulting firms have become integral to their success. From providing strategic advice to digital solutions, businesses' consultant services are in high demand. But have you ever wondered just how much these consulting firms earn? The amount earned by a consulting firm can vary greatly depending on several factors, including the size of the firm, the industry you serve, and the services they offer. However, despite this variation, it is safe to say that the business consultant firm industry is a highly profitable one. Now, I have told you about the evergreen business ideas, but you have to work on that. There is nothing unachievable on this earth. With true dedication and the right steps, you will eventually be the one guiding and helping others through the path you have taken. Don't miss your chance to be a businessman and live the life you have always dreamed about. You won't regret starting any of the business ideas I have mentioned above, and that's a promise. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable videos like this. Here's to the end of the video and the start of your business venture.